Hey folks, this is Alex with Hankster's Hot Rods, and we're at the Homer City, PA dealership with a gorgeous new arrival. This is our 1976 Pontiac Trans Am, and it's finished in the factory correct color, sterling silver. As far as the condition of the paint, overall it is in very good shape. It's not perfect though, it does have some imperfections here or there, but overall it's got a very nice finish to it and a beautiful shine. As far as the condition of your glass, the windshield does have some light chips and scratches on it, but overall it's in decent condition. You'll notice this one does have T-tops, and those are from Cars and Concepts. It's a beautifully done set of T-tops on this 76 Trans Am. You can see all of your bright work on the door trim and around windows is all in good shape. Just very light pitting present. It's got a beautiful shine to it. We'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You've got the black on black interior and all your factory instrument cluster gauges, factory climate control, and a factory radio. The dash is in very good shape, same with your center console, front bucket seats, and the rear seats as well. The door jambs are nice and clean on both sides. We'll work our way to the rear of the vehicle. You can look down the side and see it is nice and smooth and straight. Everything lines up well in the rear as far as your rear bumper, your three-piece spoiler. You can see the Trans Am decal there, that's in good shape. Same with your tail light lenses and bezels. The rear glass is in very good condition. Just some light scratches present on that, nothing major. The trunk lines up very well. All the paint's in good shape back here. We'll go ahead and take a look inside the trunk. Got to flip our license plate down. Get the silver key. Underside of that trunk is finished in that same sterling silver. You can see it does have a nice aftermarket lift support there with a billet aluminum mount. And as far as the inside of the trunk, you do have a set of original style floor mats. The trunk floor appears to be in great condition. All original, I don't see any evidence of patches or anything. It's got the original spatter finish. It's also got a pair of covers for those T-tops. Trunk jamb is nice and clean. Seal is soft and pliable. Looking down the passenger side, it's also nice and straight. You can see your ground effects, factory ground effects in front of that rear wheel there. That's all lined up well. Same with your door gaps here, they're nice and even. Your door glass is in good shape overall. We'll go ahead and take a peek at the interior from our passenger side. It's a very well preserved interior. Everything is in very good condition from the headliner to the carpet. Door jambs on this side, nice and clean as well. And of course, with this one being a 76, it's got the driver and passenger body color mirrors, and it's also got factory wheels that have been chrome plated. It's a very neat look for this car. Everything at the front of the vehicle, as far as your grille, bumper, and headlights, it all lines up well. Headlight bezels and the glass is all in good condition. You've got that all steel hood with the shaker style, and everything there is in good shape as well. Now we'll take a look under the hood. You can see, the underside of the hood is finished in more of a flat black. As far as the engine bay, that's also more of a flat black finish. Now, as far as your powertrain on this 76 Trans Am, that's going to be the original numbers match Pontiac 400 V8. And everything in this engine bay is pretty much your factory standard equipment. The only upgrade per se is going to be a Holley 600 CFM carburetor. Other than that, all your factory standard equipment, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. It's also got a set of chrome-plated valve covers and a chrome-plated alternator, making for a very nice-looking engine bay. Everything's put together very well. And that should about wrap up the exterior portion of our 76 Trans Am. We'll go ahead and get this back on the lift. As always, if you're looking to make any changes or do any upgrades to any of the vehicles that we have listed on our website, feel free to reach out to us and we'll get back to you with a quote on whatever you're looking to do. Also, the price you see listed for these cars on our website, that does include our 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty and enclosed shipping to the lower 48 states. Now we'll get this Trans Am back on the lift, take a look at the underside. Now we've got the 76 Pontiac Trans Am up on the lift. We'll do a once-over of the underside. Starting up front with your suspension, it's going to be all your factory standard equipment, your stamped steel upper and lower control arms. And of course, we make sure to go over and check all the ball joints, tie rod ends, so on and so forth, to ensure that everything is in good working order. You do have a nice 1 3/8" sway bar up front, and that'll help with your body roll throughout the turns. Looking at the structure and the frame up in the front, your cross members solid and straight, no dents or dings in that. Everything is as it should be up here. We'll move on to our powertrain. That's going to be a numbers match original to this car, 400 V8 from Pontiac. And paired to that is the Turbo 350 automatic transmission. As I look at our engine and trans at this time, they're both free and clear of any leaks or drips. As these classic cars go, there's always a possibility of those things popping up. As for the exhaust, it's got the factory manifolds on it and a full dual 2 1/4 inch exhaust with some turbo mufflers in the back. As far as the brakes, you do have power brakes, disc in the front, drum in the rear. It does have power steering as well. Looking at the floor and your cross member for the transmission, all your structure in the center of the vehicle, it's all in excellent condition. You do have a nice set of frame connectors here, and those have been welded and bolted on to ensure that they are structurally sound. And that'll just generally help stiffen the chassis and increase the handling and rigidity. Looking at the floors, they appear to be original, untouched, no evidence of any repairs or replacements. There's no heavy undercoating on this Trans Am, so you can see the raw condition of the underside. As for the rear end on this car, that is a 10-bolt 8.5. It is a POSI unit, and it's got a 256 gear ratio. And for your rear suspension, it's all your factory standard equipment, your heavy-duty leaf spring suspension, and I did fail to mention it's got a new set of shock absorbers in the front, same with the rear, and those are both Coney brand. New replacement shock absorbers, and that should help it ride nice and smooth. Other than that, all your factory standard equipment as far as the suspension goes. You do have an inch sway bar in the rear as well. And looking at the condition of the frame rails, the floor, all of your structure in the rear, everything appears to be untouched and in very good condition. I don't see rust or rot anywhere, and once again, no evidence of any patches. Rocker panels and pinch welds also nice and straight on this vehicle, and same with your quarters. They come down to a nice straight edge on both sides, and same with your rear bumper. It lines up very well. You can see the gas tank in very good condition, and you've got the typical Trans Am style exhaust tips coming down, duals on both sides, and those both have polished chrome finish. And that should about wrap up the underside for this car. Now we'll get it down and fire up that numbers match Pontiac 400.